Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear brake pads. First, let's prioritize safety. Before you begin, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface and always engage the parking brake. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, like safety glasses, throughout the entire process. Now let's get to the disassembly. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on the rear wheel, then safely raise your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Once the vehicle is stable, remove the wheel completely. Next, locate and remove the two caliper guide pin bolts. Gently take off the brake caliper, making sure to suspend it without putting any stress on the brake hose. Finally, slide out the old brake pads. With the old pads out, it's time for installation. You'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its bore. A C-clamp or a dedicated caliper piston tool works perfectly for this. Now, carefully install your new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Once they are in place, reinstall the brake caliper and securely tighten the guide pin bolts to their specified torque. Finally, reattach the wheel and hand tighten the lug nuts. For our final steps, lower your vehicle completely and then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until you feel firm resistance. This resets the caliper piston. Also, check your brake fluid reservoir and top it off if the level is low. Lastly, take a cautious test drive in a safe area to confirm your new brakes are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.